Hindenburg Research LLC is an investment research firm with a focus on active research selling. It has been discovered by Nathan Anderson in the year 2017 and it is located in New York City. The history. The particular name is given after the Hindenburg disaster that has been occurred on the year 1937 that they characterize as a human-made avoidable disaster, and also it has been considered as the firm that generates public report via its website which allegates the corporate fraud and malfeasance. Companies that have been the subject of the reports include Adani Group, Nikola, Global Health and Kandi and Lordstown Motors. These reports also feature defenses of the practice of the short selling and how they play a critical role in exposing fraud and protecting investors while holding short positions in the company before publishing the reports. Operations. Hindenburg Research prepared its investigation report on target company in 6 or more months by means of going through its public records and internal corporate documents as well as talking to its employees. The report is then circulated to Hindenburg's limited partner who altogether with Hindenburg take a short position in the target company. Hindenburg takes profit if target company's share price declines. Now let us elaborate about one notable research that has been done by Hindenburg LLC of the year 2023 on Adani Group. The report by Hindenburg Research alleges that Adani Group has indulged in Perak stock manipulation and accounting fraud scheme over the course of decades. From stock manipulation to money laundering and generating artificial revenues to the theft of taxpayers' funds, the Hindenburg Research report has leveled serious accusations against Adani Group. The firm has also alleged that Adani family members built and managed a vast labyrinth of offshore shell entities in countries such as Cyprus, Mauritius and UAE, all of which are tax havens. Hindenburg Research said that the stock valuation of 7 listed companies of group are 85% plus overvalued even if you ignore our investigation and take the company's financials at face value. It also alleges that the promoters of the group hold higher than 75% share limit stipulated by the Security and Exchange Board of India in 4 of the companies. Hindenburg also disclosed that it holds short positions in Adani Group companies through US traded bonds and non-Indian traded derivatives along with other Indian traded reference securities. The report released by the firm is 106 pages long, contains 32,000 words and has 720 citations. According to the firm, it was prepared over the course of 2 years. How much has Adani Group lost? The Adani Group lost billions of dollars on stock market in 2 days of trading following the release of report. On 25th January, the group's share lost up to 10%. There was no trading on 26th January as it was a public holiday in India. Stock of all Adani Group companies continued to tumble through 27th January when markets reopened. According to Mint, 7 Adani Group companies lost 2830 billion INR, which is around 34 billion USD in market capital by 1 p.m. IST. Multiple credible American media reports indicate that the group has now lost over $50 billion in market value since the release of report. Shares of Adani Transmission, Adani Total Gas and Adani Green Energy were down to 20%, which is highest among the group companies on 27th of January 2023. In total, this had been the highest loss for the Adani Group since the year 2017. As of 27th January, 6:30 p.m. IST, Bloomberg Billionaires Index still showed Adani as Asia's richest man and the 4th richest in the world. Though it shows that he has a personal fortune worth $113 billion, another report by Bloomberg has suggested that he has already lost a fifth of his fortune since the release of Hindenburg Research report. What does Adani Group say? Reacting to Hindenburg Research report, the Adani Group released a statement on 25th January saying that it was shocked that the research firm released its report without contacting the company or verifying the factual matrix. He stated that the report is malicious combination of selective misinformation and stale, baseless as well as credited allegations that have been tested and rejected by India's highest court. The group said that it is evaluating the relevant provisions under US and Indian laws for remedial as well as punitive action against the Hindenburg Research. Reacting to Adani Group's statement on illegal action, Hindenburg issued a statement saying that it fully stands by its report. It also claimed that Adani Group has not responded to 88 forward questions it added at the conclusion of the report. As per the media reports, in the 36 hours since from the time of when the report has been released, Adani hasn't addressed a single substantive issue that has been raised by them, and it was said by Hindenburg Research in its statement, and it has been shared on the Twitter as well. At the conclusion of report, they have asked 88 straightforward questions for the purpose of giving a chance to the company to be transparent. Thus far, Adani has answered none of those questions. Adani's 413-page response and counter by Hindenburg. On the date of 29th January, the Adani Group released a 413-page document in which it leveled the accusations against Hindenburg Research and claimed that American short sellers report was a calculated attack on India and the independence, integrity, and quality of Indian institutions and the growth story and ambition of India. Reacting to Adani Group's charge, Hindenburg Research said that the Adani Group has attempted to conflict its meteoric rise and the wealth of its chairman Gautam Adani along with the success of India itself. To be clear, Hindenburg Research believed that India is a vibrant democracy and an emerging superpower with exciting future. Hindenburg Research believed that India's future is being held back by the Adani's group that has draped itself in the Indian flag while systematically looting the nation. The American short seller has also claimed that the Adani failed to specify and to answer 62 out of 88 questions, and of questions it did answer, the group largely confirmed or attempted to sidestep our findings. Now, comments below. In what way the Indian economy is going to get affected because of Adani's collapse? Number 2. Will Adani overcome the allegation and come back strongly into the market? Number 3. What do you think about the Hindenburg report, whether it's true or false? Comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.